Hey guys, I'm Ethan, we're in China, Beijing, and today I'm gonna try 5 most weird and disgusting snacks which we've ever seen and never dared to try, but today I'm gonna do that. Hit that subscribe button and let's go. Good luck to me. We are now in the center of Beijing. It's probably the most popular place for tourists and Chinese people. It's now pretty much the middle of a day, working day, Monday, and it's still like crowded with people. It's like tons of them. So we're now in Houhai and Qianhai Lake. I don't remember the name of the park, and it's like a lot of stuff here. This is the first thing we're gonna try. This is a dumpling. I'm gonna eat it using a straw. How much is it?
30.
30
kwai.
30 kwai. That's a lot. That's like a meal for 2 people.
It's a hot. Thank you. I think it's too hot to try now.
It's actually nice. It's like drinking a crab. Not crab, crab. You wanna try? I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it, really. No, please. I can't stand the smell. So what I'm about to try now is stinky tofu. That's the official name, stinky tofu. It's called so because it's stinky. It stinks like, I don't know, like something very awful, like the worst thing you can probably imagine. And this is a Beijing thing. It smells everywhere like that. I have a bad feeling. Oh.
Hot? Disgusting? Too disgusting?
I'm gonna go get sorry. Awful, really guys, awful. You wanna try?
No. So how was it? What does it taste like?
Imagine a sponge, and we have a cat, and that cat peed on that sponge, and then it dries out, and then it pees again, and then you fry that sponge, and then you eat it. It's pretty much the same. I never tried the sponge with my cat pee on it, but I would imagine it would taste exactly like this. It's like really awful. Okay, this is sticky rice. Hi. 多少钱？
10块钱。
Okay. It's eatable.
It's a dessert, isn't it?
It's good. Actually, this area in Beijing is a place where all the Chinese people from other cities come to try Beijing food. So this is like essence of Beijing weird stuff. It's tasteless. The only thing which has taste is that sugar on top. The rest of it is just no taste. Yeah, like that. The thing in Beijing is the weird Beijing sausage. This one. The thing about sausages in China is they're all sweet. It's like you're eating sausage with jam. It shouldn't be like that, but it's like this in China. They're just all sweet. Disgusting. 25 kwai for chicken claw. bit. I don't know. Discussing food number 5. Tastes like chicken. This is probably the best out of 5. Yeah, definitely. Yummy. Okay, so today I've tried 5 weird foods, and number 5 for the weirdness was the chicken feet. Number 4 was what was it? The dumpling soup inside the dumpling. Number 3 was sticky rice. Number 2 was a sausage, and number 1, my winner, sticky tofu. I still remember that taste and that smell in my mouth. And now, to wash away the taste, we are in the best place in Beijing with sushi, our favorite food. There it is. See you soon.